What? How are you today?
Right now, I'm tired. I'm glad to be home.
Oh yeah?
Busy day, yeah.
Nice. What you got there, a newspaper?
Yeah, sure. I got the free print.
Got today's daily news,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Oh, I like this. I've got to have the news every day.
Yeah.
I like to see what's going on, eh?
Exactly, right?
That's, yeah.
Yeah, it's your stuff.
Okay, take care.
You too, have a good day.
Bye.
Steve's.
Don't worry. Finna perform surgery in the studio. You know, make it do what it do. Socks, you already know what it is. You know what it is, cuz? Boom.
Can't see.
Fruity rappers.
Boy, 2 Socks in the fucking studio. This guy flew all the way out here, man. God damn. You got something to shout out? Your Twitter or something? Your Twitter or something?
You know what it is?
Fuck it. You already know 2 Socks is too exclusive to shout out to Twitter, kid.
Okay, let's go.
What?
2 Socks!
Man, I'm spitting this.
Spit it!
I'm riding around now, I'm getting it. Just let me catch my breath. Girl named Fiona.
Damn, this guy's tight,
That bitch is
2 Socks, man,
my Toyota. If I'm unlucky, I'm named that baby Corolla. Damn. Yeah, I'm coming
Who's in the stew right now, yo?
Motherfucking two socks, my nigga. Yo, check this shit out. Give her $20 and tell her to abort.
Yeah.
Cause I'm way too cheap to pay that child support.
Pants tucked on and they socks. That's
Sweet
scrub
prince.
status. What happened? Running out of milk from my cereal shit I don't like. Wait.
Look. It's your boy Jermaine speaking to a mic. Kids saying hella. That's the shit I don't like. Assassins with the I fucking phone went black. That's annoying as fuck.
Get high,
Fuck. Cat pack. Yo, what the fuck? Asians with the nunchucks. That's the ones I won't fight. I'm but for ball. Fuck. Rebellious motherfuckers like a high school food fight. Yeah. In the fucking stew, nigga. Going in, cut. Yeah.
No better weather.
What?
Alright, cadence, let's go. Eating fruities in the stew where it's at. Get your girl sitting pretty on my fucking lap. Crazy verses, number munchers, cause I hate doing math. Cheerios in my bowl cause it's serious. Don't get near me, kid. No Avengers, but I got the fury, bitch. Yo, 2 Socks.
What?
Is you hearing this? Cat Patty. And that's that. Pass it off to Eric.
And this pencil tucked up in they socks. That's scrub status. Stomach feeling super empty. I need a. I ate oatmeal before I came, but ran out of sugar. Fuck, man. That verse 2 Socks went and killed with straight oven. He need new socks. New socks.
New socks.
New socks.
New. Wait, is it a 2 Socks?
Yeah, but I'm saying he needs new socks.
Oh.
Shit, that's my shit. Bang bang.
Just gotta jump in whenever. It's not like you gotta go right after.
Yeah, we can always edit it.
Look at this nigga.
Okay, the beat's gonna get.
Oh, my elbow! Oh, fuck my elbow! Oh! Yo, your couch just knocked you the fuck out.
Let me see.
It's like they're flying into the storm.
It's not even raining.
What the fuck is that, yo? There can't be.
Bang bang, no flame flame.
I'll be like, my mom lives right over there.
Alright, what are we doing today? No.
What?
No.
Yo, you're
No. Okay, go ahead, tell them.
drinking ketchup because I like it a lot.
Okay, fuck it, just drink it.
Yeah.
His little feet just shaking and shit when he's drinking it, just all happy. Oh damn. Ah!
Yo, they let you out? Yo, you don't think I'm crazy, do you? Nah, man, you're perfectly normal, but